Hi, welcome to Turtle Burger Crochet YouTube channel. My name is Brittany. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, it is long overdue, I will be unboxing the Southern Skeins Sock Box monthly yarn club. It was from December 2021. I just haven't had a chance to open it yet, so that's what I'll be doing today. Here is the bag that it came in. It had that sticker, so let's get to it. Oh, it's pretty. All right, here's what it comes in. A nice organza drawstring bag. Okay. First off, we have, let me open this up. Set those next to me. Sorry for the crinkling. It's in like a little bag here. Okay. First off, we have Swiss Miss hot chocolate, which I actually really enjoy. We also have, very good this time of year, Purell wipe, fragrance free, and that's nice to throw in a bag. You never know when you might need that. And also a stitch marker. This is so cute. Whoops, it's a little mitten, but this looks like a snowflake on it. Can't get it to stay though. There you go. And let's see, okay. There's probably a description in here, but we'll get to that. We have another magnet. Looks like a little gnome, a knitting gnome. That's cute. And, oh, a keychain. Oh, this is cute. It's a little cat head, but it's a ruler and it says Southern Skeins. That is nice to have. That is actually super, super nice to have, especially to put on your keychain. And before I show the yarn, we'll just read the little card here. This is the sock box. Okay. I was mainly wanting to look and see if someone designed the stitch marker, but it just says mitten stitch marker, so maybe it's a Southern Skeins original. And the pattern this month, I'm going to mention this because I know it's free on Ravelry. I have seen it there before, and I imagine if you go to southernskeins.com, you could probably find it there too, it says. And it is the Shell Cowl by Jenna Eddy, and I believe she is the owner of Southern Skeins. So that's super exciting. And now for the yarn. Oh, and it came with a candy cane. It was hidden in there. Let me see. Little candy cane. Oh, this is beautiful. You know, and this is a really good Christmas yarn. I know it's January, but it's not an in-your-face kind of Christmas yarn. It has kind of the white and cream and these reds and looks like speckles of kind of bluish teal in there. And it looks like the mini may be kind of two-toned. It's kind of gray up here at the top, but then down at the bottom, it's kind of maybe like a fade set. Mini is kind of like a creamy color, which is probably the bare yarn that didn't, she only dyed like maybe this half of it is what I'm thinking. Here's the label, and this says the main skein, this one is Holly Jolly, and then the mini skein is Frosty. It is 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon. It's a 2-ply. It's 100 grams, 400 yards for the main skein, and then the mini skein is 20 grams, and it looks like maybe 80 yards. I can't tell because it kind of faded where the line is or where this part right here, that it is so soft and it is so pretty. I am very, very excited about this. I will link Southern Skeins down below. They have their own website, but they also have an Etsy shop, which is how I originally found out about them. Very pretty. And I think I will make that shell cowl. I actually already had that in my Ravelry queue. So, yeah, hopefully sometime this year I will be able to get to that and have a nice Christmassy but not Christmassy kind of cowl to wear for next Christmas. Thank you for watching. If you stayed with me and liked it this long, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and possibly hit the subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye.